I have 5 flashlights on the table and 1 cat. That's my annual flashlight review. Music. Alright, so I have these 5 flashlights and they all obviously fit in the tube because this is a tube flashlight review. This is the flashlight review for tube light painting. So they all fit, they all have that side clip that is very useful when you're holding the tube just like this. And I'm using all of them except the first one. So let's start with this one, the Photomov 18650S. I'm not using it just because it's not as bright as the others, but this is my most affordable option. I think it's $35. So for the price, it's really good. It has constant strobe. It's very lightweight. It comes with a battery. So it's a good one, just not as bright as my other flashlights. So second one, Guillermo, you're very noisy. We'll keep that part. The floor is cracking a lot. Second flashlight, the Lumentop FW21. This is the brightest one that I have. It's nearly 3000 lumens, so if you want to start very early during the blue hour, that's the one. It's so bright. And it works with a 21700 battery, so these are the big ones, and that lasts forever. Actually, I lit up a whole music show using 8 of those inside milky white tubes, and that's a picture from that show. So you see the white bars, these are all milky white tubes with these Lumentop flashlights on top. What's also very interesting about this one is that you can dim it. You can dim the light by holding the button, and also you can change the frequency for the strobe. So if you want to make larger or smaller stripes, you can do it, and that's my only flashlight that can do that. It's not something I'm using a lot, but it's cool to have that option. The third one, and that's probably my favorite these days, it's a really new one. It came in the market just a few months ago, and I actually already did my review. So that flashlight, it comes with a magnetic charger, this thing here, and that is so great to charge it at the end of the night. Just put it on the dock, plug that to your USB charger inside your computer, and it's very good. It has constant strobe, and the stripes are equally spaced, which I really like when I combine 2 flashlights. And so the same with the pressure switch. It is magnetic, so you can pop the light on and off super easily. There's one very specific thing to that flashlight is that if you just press once, it's going to keep on, so that doesn't work with the needle lights, but it's okay. Yeah, and that's the one I'm using the most these days. I love that sound. Fourth one, the Netcore P10 V2. This is a flashlight I've been using for a long time in studio. What I like about this one is that you can go from constant to strobe with the same remote, so it's very easy to switch from one to the other within the same exposure. I did a full video about that, so just look in the description below for the link. It's a flashlight that I really enjoy using. It's bright and it's well made. It's really well made, and very similar to this one, and that's my last flashlight on the table. You know this one, the Netcore MT22C with the dimmer on the side. So that's the flashlight to work with the stars and the Milky Way late at night, because you can get to a very specific brightness value just by turning that dial down. So I usually go at about 50 lumens when I shoot the Milky Way, and the level of precision that you can get with this one is very, very unique. But drama music, insert drama music, that's going to go out of the market. I just saw that on the Netcore website today, so there's a big mention, discontinued. So you know what you have to do if you want to have one. It's last call. There's no replacement at the moment. I think I have 10 left on the store upstairs. I might keep a few ones for me because this is such a unique feature and I cannot really survive without this. So there's another option, of course, by using tape on top of the flashlight when you want to dim your flashlight, but this is so convenient and there's nothing else like this. And that's it for my quick review of the best tube flashlight. That's it for the review of my best flashlights for tube light painting 2021 edition. Of course, there are so many other options that you can get. So if you don't have access to any of those flashlights, look for a 1-inch head flashlight. And 1 inch is what you need to be able to fit the flashlight inside the tube. That's it for now. Thank you.